Hello everyone, what we have here is the RaceChip RS that just came in. I have an Audi A4 B8 TDI 190 horsepower 400 Newton meter. That's my engine, that's my car. So this is the middle one in the range of chips, of race chips. They have a more powerful one. This is the middle one. I think it's the best balance between money and performance. What we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna unbox it. Later on we're gonna go down to my garage and install it, and we'll have a run, and maybe if we're lucky enough we can go to a dyno. So let's get started. So this is the chip. Okay. Boxing, regular boxing, nothing fancy. It's not luxurious boxing, but it's a good one. I like the white, very well represents the chip and what's inside. So this is the chip. Okay, let's throw that out. Now, what we have here is the chip itself. So we have the chip itself. I'm going to move that to the side a little bit. Okay, throw that out. We have some wiring harness, and let me stop right here. The chip has that screw in the middle that comes with 6 preset settings for you to adjust. This one is the RS, like I said. This is the middle one. It comes with 6 presets. The top one comes with 7 presets. And the cheapest one comes with only 3 presets, but I think everybody should avoid the cheap one. I think this is the one that most people should get. What we have here is the wiring harness. It comes with a tapper, I think they call that. This is if for some reason, you see, it goes like that. When you push this pin, this mechanism, it will snap it and it's all installed. So if you want to take it out, just pull, that's it. For some reason, if you want to take the chip out, if you have any issues with the chip, yeah, you can use this ending tapper or whatever they call it, and that's it. Your car will be stock. The modification is gone. So let's leave that like that. What we have here, oops, we have 2 stickers. Okay, do that. And this is the wire. Yeah, this is the zip ties to mount it. These big ones are for the chip, and you have 4 small ones to just clean up the mess with the cables. You just attach it to not hot parts on the engine. What comes inside that little box is a small screwdriver, very small, that's used to adjust the settings. You have 4 mounting brackets for the chip. These goes here and here. And that's about it. Oh no, we have a thick manual. We have a thick manual. You put right there. There you go. That's it. There we go. So we have a manual. Like I said, my car is Audi A4 B8 2.0 TDI, but the modification, they have a couple of modifications, so mine is the most powerful one. And you have a race chip, detaching connector correctly, and so on and so on. So I think we're all set to go down to the garage and install it. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so we're here to install the chip, and we'll start with taking the cover off. So the chip, as you might have noticed earlier, all the parts that we're going to need outside. We're going to leave the chip for the last one, of course. Leave it over there. So the harness, with this type of engine, you have to connect it to 3 different parts of the engine. My old car that was using again the RaceChip there was only one connection, but with this one I have to make 3 connections. So let's begin. I'll be explaining which one is which. They're labeled, you see, the harnesses, if you look at the manual, each connection, so for the ease of the installation, they're labeled A, B, and C. So the 3 connections that we need to make are common rail, turbo boost, and the camshaft. So let's get started. There is the common rail. This one is a pull plug. So pull. It's a pull and a pull. And there you go. That's a pull. So you can see it closer. I'm gonna take the male, female. Sorry, the other way around. Click. Okay, second we do the turbo boost, which is right here. It's very visible. Okay, turbo boost. How do we do that? There is a pin. You have to pull it. It's a pull plug. You have to pull that out, then disconnect it, otherwise it's not going to work. You're going to break it. Okay, that's the second one. So we have click and click. We're going to do that there. We're going to tie it here, so it's going to be perfectly fine. That's a very tight one. There we go. See? This one is very tricky also. I don't know if you see it, but the RS chip is on. There was an indicator, the old one didn't have that. This new one, that's a nice thing. Okay, and now we need to mount the brackets. I'm gonna try just myself for the lighting. There you go. These are snap-on, click, snap-on, click. Oh, well, this one, yeah, clicked. So now we can mount it. These goes like that. So make sure on the right side, of course I'm not. So that, there we go. We go like that.
There we go. So we need to figure out where do we want to attach it. I think I'm going to attach it here. The system is very sturdy.
As you can see, the car runs without any issues at all. Keeps the RPMs constant, no shaking, no rattling, no misfiring, no issues with the gearbox. I've tested it on settings 4, 5 and 6. These are presets on the chip. I've tested all of them and I can confirm, at least on my car, which has no issues with the engine and the gearbox so far, knock on wood, but there were no issues when using the chip.